Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and stochastic RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the hourly time frame for Ethereum, the price rapidly went down with around 11.5% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 188. We can see that the sellers are taking over because the volume was high, showing that this move was strong. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 205. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 206. The resistance should be relatively strong seeing as the ribbon is spread out. But as the price moved very quickly and is far below the ribbon, a pullback or some kind of consolidation could be expected before further move to the downside. Looking at the hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are in the lower region, which means that the price is getting oversold and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. The K line is currently above the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the upside. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 200 SMA downwards decisively with higher than average volume, which is a strong signal. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 200 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 194. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Looking at the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 207. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. However, as the price is far below the ribbon and shifted very quickly, we can expect a pullback or for the price to remain stable for some time before moving downwards. Moving to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, the crypto is being oversold because both the %K and %D lines are currently very low. This means that we can expect a change in the trend or for the crypto can remain at least stable for some time. You should wait to see if the trend will in fact go up because the K line has yet to cross the D line. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the price broke the 200 SMA to the upside but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 174, it could be seen as a support and the 100 SMA that is at 191 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is now in the daily ribbon, so you should see if the ribbon could hold support, currently at around 185. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Jumping to the daily stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but we can see that the trend is currently going down because the K line is below the D line. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions as cryptocurrency trading is very risky and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.